Hello. So today we're going to be talking about a song called Mission Impossible, or it's from the Mission Impossible theme. So let's get started. Okay, so that's part A. We have a second part that goes along with that. If you have a loop station, you can play along, or if you have a second guitarist, you can do a duet. Let me demonstrate the second part. Again. Okay, now there's a third part. Okay, so this one's going to come up to the 11th fret on the high E string. Let's take a look. And here's the next section. Okay, so let me break down each part. So the first part's going to start on the low E string and the A string. Alright, so we're going to play 3, 3. Then I'm going to go to the A string and play 1, 3. Okay, and then the next part's going to be 3, 3 again, and 1, 2. So you get so you want to start with that, and then once you're comfortable with that, you want to apply the rhythm. Now the next section, we're going to come up to the high E string and we're going to play 6, 3, and then 3 on the B, the second string. So you're going to play. Now we're going to play 6, 3 again, but play 6 on the G, the next string up. So you got to do some string skipping there. Then we're going to play 6, 3 again, 5, and then 3, 5. So again. And the next section, we're going to start the 3rd fret on the G string and then the 5th fret on the D string. But then we have to come up with the pinky and play the 7th fret on the B string. So again, and we're going to play this again as the bass, but walk this down. So now we're here at the 6, 5, and then 4, 3. So again. Awesome. Let's bring it home with this last riff. Here we go. We're going to come all the way up to the 11th fret on the E and B string, and we're going to play 11 and 8. Now 8 on the second string. I like to just kind of roll my finger there. Now I'll play the same thing again, 11, 8. But we're going to walk it down to the 7. 11, 8 again. Down to the 6. And 4, 6. Then it repeats this section again.